Okay. Nice blue sky. Nice medium dark roof. Roof covering, actually. Composition shingles. Looks like it's a medium dark hue. Call 911. Grampy's on the roof again. Underlayment. Looks like it was installed over the drip edge flashing, which is good. I'm not seeing any rain gutters on this structure, this home. Like I said, it's kind of recent. But we got some things going on. This might be one of the first videos that you see, so what I try to do with my reporting in my videos is, my first option is to go counterclockwise. These are some impact damages. And this is what I lovingly refer to as a fish mouth. Usually means the shingle wasn't nailed properly. The nails are kind of going in like that. Causes it to buckle up. Yeah, feels like it. This is a clothes dryer vent. This is old school. Called these bird houses. That should have been replaced when the roof covering was replaced. Staple coming up. I guess they had Christmas lights up here at one time. So this roof might not be as new as it looks. Okay. That's both good and new because you get a little sense of history. New roofs aren't always the best roofs. See this mark across here? Across there, there. That's wind damage. The shingles have blown up. Now they're laying back down. There's another one. There's some more of those staples. So we got some signs of algae coming over here. More algae, more algae, more algae. And there's your neighbors. Okay. You can kind of see how the roof is kind of cupping in like that. I call that deflections. The technical word for it is sumping. I do not use the sumping word unless I find a problem, because sumping is usually associated with a problem. No solution, no problem. Yeah. Would we want it to all be smooth? Yes, we would want it to all be smooth, but every single one. Right here, see these corners? That's wind damage again. Impact mark. Wind damage. Impact mark. This flashing plate is sticking up a little bit right here. It needs to be sealed. Okay, at this point, I've seen enough weather damage. It'd be wise to have your insurance agent do a clue report on this to see if a claim has been filed on this roof covering. And then somebody just, reappropriated the money to, another place. Or maybe a claim hasn't been made. Got some nail heads sticking up right there. Maybe a claim hasn't been made and it needs to be made. To me, it looks like there's enough damage to warrant a claim. This is what I'm thinking. A lot of wind damage. You know, I'm just not going to get it all. Lots of wind damage. And no, I'm not going to get it all. I'm going to record it. We're over here, we're wrapping around, we're coming back to the east side of the structure. More wind damage over here. Vinyl siding on your chimney chase. That's hollow. That siding should be able to handle that. Satellite dishes should not be installed directly to the roof covering. Now that said, the only place I've ever found a satellite dish mounting bracket is an illustration that I'm going to bake into your report. I got that in a class maybe 18 years ago. They said this is how they're supposed to be done. As a roof covering manufacturer, actually put the class on, continuing education. And they gave us a picture, and I've been using it for like 18 years. I haven't seen a bracket yet. I haven't seen one in the wild. But the idea is that you took bolts and just sunk them into a perfectly good roof covering system. And now, you know, that's potential for leakage. More wind damage, more wind damage. This is where we started. We went counterclockwise. We started on the front east side of the garage. Nothing, just get down and safe.